Good morning, sir. My
Yes.
name is Ridhima. I am a third year student from microbiology department. And first of all, I would really like to thank you and everyone involved for this lovely factory visit. It was extremely insightful, and I was there with ma'am actually, and she was a wonderful, wonderful guide. So, it's not a question, sir. It's more of a statement.
Yes.
So I have been an athlete my whole life. So I'm fond of traveling, wildlife. I like open spaces. I like open air. I like being surrounded by nature more. So I have done my internship in a clinical lab. Now I am looking at the industrial factory, and sir, it does seem good. Like the work that everyone is doing, it seems pretty amazing actually. And my professor also told me that it's a very, very profitable industry if you work in industry, microbiology industry especially. But my question is, sir, so I wanted to do something in life. I want to do a job where I enjoy the environment, where I'm surrounded either by open spaces or nature. And this is what I want to ask you, sir. So is working in industry surrounded by closed spaces with different chemicals and everything, is it worth it? Like, do you really enjoy it? Like, is it profitable enough, not just monetary wise but experience wise and everything? And is it worth being working in labs closed up for hours?
You know, when you are in the microbiological section, it has to be the closed environment.
Yes.
By now, you must be knowing. Yes, when you go to the ocean, when you go to the algae also, a lot of things we are getting from ocean. But you have to do the experiment in the lab.
Yes, sir.
That has to be reproduced in the field if required. And what you talking about the profit, you know, anything what we are doing is related with the profit.
Yes, sir.
Without money, you cannot survive. So, whenever you have come out from your house, objective is very clear. You need to feed your family.
To make money.
That will come by your working. This cannot be denied. So, there should not be any hesitation in this, that whether I should earn yes or not. Objective is very clear until unless the benefit goes to the society. If your work is such that it is being benefited to the society directly, you will be more benefited.
Yes, sir.
It is something like that.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, microbiology has the role in different environmental safety norms. There you will have a much more enjoyment if you like to. Is it?
Basically more into environmental microbiology.
Yes.
That's what you said.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Apart from environmental microbiology, for our human body, microbiology has a huge role.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.